Imagine keeping tomatoes fresh in 40 degrees Celsius heat. Without electricity. No batteries. No ice. No solar panels. Just 2 ordinary clay pots. This is the Zeer pot, a centuries-old cooling technique used in hot, dry regions and later popularized in Nigeria by teacher Mohammed Bah Abba to help farmers preserve food. Here's the science. Water slowly seeps through the porous clay. As it evaporates, it steals heat from the pot. Billions of water molecules escape every second, and together, they cool everything inside. It doesn't create cold. It removes heat. That's the same basic principle every refrigerator uses. The difference? This one needs no electricity. The hotter and drier the air, the better it can work. Ancient physics. Modern science. Hidden in a simple clay pot. Follow the Igbo stem for more incredible African science.